one of the things I guess this work has made me more aware of is the danger, even as I'm telling you of all these wonderful things that singing can allow us to do, of being unaware of the possible trauma that music and singing can create as well. You know, I always say that music or singing in and of themselves are not good. They're powerful. And that's a different thing. You know, power can be used in lots of different ways, can't it? And the very power of music to create this strong sense of bonding and identity, as we know, can also be used to create groups that are built on hate, groups whose common identity is the hatred of another group. So it's not the music per se, it's the way in which we use it. And that's where I think the ritual context becomes very important, because we can create rituals of exclusion or we can create rituals of inclusion.